Omukoro gw'okwosya amarobo amato n'obutimba ebitwire bukoresa ubwo mu buhenda biragiro aha nyanja ya Kazinga Chano gukurirwa ha mwaro gwa Katunguru omugomboro ya Katunguru omu district ya Rubirizi.
Ebintu ebi tubikwatsire kwezi kwa 12 2024 kusya okwezi kwa kabiri 2025. Ebintu ebi nibishisha enyanja nibabikozesa kushuwampi akora kakwenda kwate byenyanja nokora kafutunge sente zaho naho konka nibishisha enyanja.
Major Frank Kanzira uri umwezi wa komanda wa Fish Protection Unit nagira ngo ibintu bya miliyoni 38 nibyo byokiwe kandi yihanangiriza abajubi okuratira amateka nko kugari.
So ntweshaba tero muranga abantu abajubi baryo mu nju bembi batane cyo kukozesa ebyukujubisa ebikwikirizwa obutimbo burungi konka handi babatabirigire mu ebyo mbaze gumamba batsigara mbaferwe sente zabo hatebe eze sente zuzona kabasto mu omubutimba burungi bambaza kufunamu.
Abajubi abebemeze n'abanyamyoga omirimo yo kujuba hamayanja nibashabwo kwatanisa n'aba Fish Protection Unit okurwana senju bambi.
Abajubi bwena bakorera hamwe n'amahiga kurwana senju bemba ga FPU barwanise abakujuba kubiha nyanja ha ati bari mbafereze entasya yihanga ha sente zukurwa mu fishing nari mu kujuba ziri nziferwa ha bintu ebiremero mu mizomo bwe nshaba abantu bona benyigiremu barwana senju bembe hamwe habo burungi bwenyanje
nterera bakushobora ubutimbo bwabuzi bari government iteka wikiragiro cy'igumere iteka we mitano abo kubantu basa kumanya n'uburuga mitano abo kuba abantu tutekereza ngo bunu babureta ukatwazingira kutumanya nti nuburaba magendo bateka hamani munonga kureba ubutimbo bwakora ki.
Steven Arnitwe umwezi wa RDC wa district ya Rubirizi nashaba abajubo kurinda amayanja gabo butosha.
Rubirizi na Kasese mwino muki itobo bitubiriyo nyahinduzaro mwine bintu bibire bukiramano mwihanga mwine national park mwine na Namizi ebintu bibire tumishemeye kwa n'umuyomba mushemeye kwa n'ukisimira na mukama.
Umuganda nkaga abanyamyogo mu kujuba hanyanja ya Albert nibashaba government okuchendeza habifubire byetiro mu kiragiro kisya echa Fisheries and Aquaculture Act 2023 mu kiragiro eki omujuboro kushangwa n'ebinyanja bito n'ingaruko ejo nisebukwate birukuhenda amateka naija kuba nahereza umutango gwa miliyoni 20 ningo komu myaka na ninga byombi
kandi nekindi kuhondera endagiro what type of net timber size ki kandi type kicho kozesa n'ubetwena tulibate mu mateka. I think if all considered well, the field change akuba kurungi and soil is kurungi and so I to
so the key issue is for the stakeholders to be vigilant and raise these issues and evidence also, because sometimes evidence is not there, but if there's is there, it's given to the cow, it's given to the RDC, it's the DFO. I don't think there is any chance that it will not be addressed. Will be addressed. Now on the issue of inclusivity, we are now seeing how do we bring the communities into playing a role in fisheries management. Actually, there is a set of regulations which we call co-management regulations.
Ebi bibiroho mu kwebuza hacaragire kikozurwa bakuru omukitongore cy'ebyenju bo mwihanga kandi bibira hari HB Hotel omurembo rwa Hoima.
But the purpose of the surveillance unit it is to strengthen enforcement, to make sure that enforcement is done in a way that does not promote corruption and it, in a way that human rights abuses are not done. So that is what we are doing. That's why you see the people who are going to be in the paramilitary unit have a background of science.
Joseph Bwanaka or Commissioner w'Ebyendisa y'Ebyenyanja hamwe na Days Achiro or Commissioner w'Ebyenyanja nibagirangwe kiragire eki kigenderiro kureta obuteka aha nyanja zono mwihanga.
This law is also supposed to transform the fisheries and aquaculture sector from being in fact in the ministry we say to transform it to we call it agro-industrialize the fisheries and aquaculture sector. At the end of the day, that's what we want to see. If we agro-industrialize, then we shall be able to shift those who are now fishing in a subsistence way to now move to a commercial way.
Because in the end, as we said, the overall goal is to ensure that we have sustainable fisheries that will allow us to get food, to get income,
GPS signal lost,
and to transform our lives.
Omukyaragireki nihija kubaho abantu abarize kukwatisa amateeka ningashi monitoring, control and surveillance unit bitu tubakatandikire kukita omu nkora okusya barakora ebiragiro ebirikushoronza emirimo ehikaine n'ekyaragireki. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi hamwe na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.